Hey everybody, this is a butterfly painting I did, but I don't have the video. I had to paint it in front of someone that was videotaping me for a promotional thing. So I did not get to use my camera above and everything because I had to remove my lights and my camera from the area so that he could take his pictures with his equipment. So I am so sorry that I didn't get to have this video for you. I know that everybody loved the last butterfly I did, and this one, I tried to make it more in the monarch colors, but the red kind of overtook it. But I wanted to show you this, and this will be a very quick little video. I used my squeeze bottles like I normally do. I base coated my 16 by 20 canvas with the white paint, the DecoArt titanium white mixed a 1-to-1 ratio with their pouring medium. So here's the products I used. I used DecoArt Pouring Medium, the titanium white, cadmium yellow, orange flame, true red, lamp black, sour apple, and festive green. So those are all in my squeeze bottles. Got handprints on everything. Nothing is clean in my house. So those are a 1-to-1 ratio with the pouring medium. It does not need water. And then I added a drop of spot-on treadmill lubricant to each ounce of paint mixture in my cup, and then I poured the cup into the bottles. I like to keep my paints in bottles because I can control them and do the swipes a lot easier. So those are the colors that I used on this video. And so what I did is I started with a black line, then I did yellow, orange, and red. So I did the yellow first, orange, and then red. So when I swiped with the black, you see how the yellow starts and it moves to orange and then red? Yellow, orange, and red. You can see the colors there. But I did the lower wings first, and I swiped with my medium-sized paint scraper that's used like crazy. It's got all kinds of stuff on it. And I have a smaller one, and that's what I use to swipe my wings with. Then in the middle, I just drew a yellow line up and put a ball at the end of it for the head. And then I put orange on it. And then I put black on it. And I ran my butter knife down the middle of it and just went through it a couple of times to get my shapes. And as the paint is moving or settling, you can see that, like the antennas, I just took the black from the center and pulled my butter knife through it. And that's what happened with these little antennas, is, they're reacting with the white, even though the black and white, neither one of them had silicone in it. So that's what I did on the body of the butterfly. And then on the green, what I did was I did a drop of the sour apple and then a drop of the festive green, and I took a straw and I blew on the straw, going kind of in an outward. I blew away from the butterfly, so I blew going in that direction, all going outward from the butterfly. And then I took my butter knife and just drew a little bit of a line of green back in some of the areas up here at the top to kind of look like leaves coming out, just to give it some kind of interest in the background. It's nothing flashy. But that is my butterfly that I painted, that I'm sorry that I could not record it for you. I'll be doing lots more swipes, but I wanted you to see this because I know people had said maybe to try different colors. They had a request for maybe like the monarch butterfly color, so that's what I did because it was kind of a quick video and I was doing it for the videographer that came by to film. I'm in a mentoring group on Facebook and they were doing some little promotional videos, and so I got to be filmed, you know, talking about my journey and that kind of stuff. So hopefully I'll get a little bit of that I can put on YouTube. Who knows? But this is my yellow, orange, and red and black butterfly. Of course, I had the white as a wet layer underneath. Same ratio, 50-50 with the pouring medium. All DecoArt. And I'll just zoom in on some of the close-ups. Like I said, the antennas just kind of went wacky with the paint doing its thing, because you can never control what your paint's going to do sometimes. Like this area here. I tried to move a little white into that black area where the eye part had moved a little bit. I was trying to find some wet white paint, but I don't know. I don't know if that helped or not. Hopefully it won't leave a... I probably need to put some white back on there. Where's my white bottle? So you can put a little bit of white back there. And it'll level out as it dries. That's the good part about fluid paint. If it's wet, it'll lay down. But here's some close-ups on the cells. And I kind of wish I had done like a thicker layer instead of just a line. I wish I had done a thicker layer of the yellow and orange, just to make it more true to what a monarch butterfly would look like, with maybe just a little bit of red at the end. But you kind of learn as you go. So I'll do another video in the future trying this again and trying to do it more with more yellow and orange and less red. But I like this one still. It's still pretty. So once again, I'm sorry I couldn't do the whole thing for you, but I'll do another one down the road. Thank you. If you will, give me a thumbs up, please, and subscribe to my channel. This is a test to see if my camera is working. I cleaned up my workspace, organized, kind of, sort of. All for the video shoot that I had today. So there we go, my kitchen that I work in.